Solar panels. The top layer of the solar panel is made up of N-type silicon doped with phosphorus and the bottom layer with P-type silicon doped with boron, forming a PN junction diode. Both the layers are connected through a wire, making a circuit. When the photons from the sunlight are incident on the panel will create an impact on the electrons in the PN junction. The movement of the electrons will produce a flow of electric current that runs through a wire. Geothermal power plants. The temperature and pressure underground increase with depths. The temperature gradient increases by 10 degrees for every 1 kilometer depth of the Earth. Due to rising temperature, heat is generated beneath the layers of the Earth, which can be used to derive electric energy. The steam generated due to the heat energy is drilled and passed to the turbines and passed to the electrical generator to generate electricity. This steam, on losing the heat, is again passed underground. Magnetic field. The magnets are used to produce electricity. The magnetic fields align the direction of the flow of a current. By varying the magnetic field strength, the electric current is generated that flows through the conductor. LDR. It is a light-dependent resistor and functions on the light photons incident on it, hence it is also called the photoresistor. As the intensity of the light increases during the daytime, the resistance of the LDR decreases, and during the dark night, the resistance increases. At constant voltage, as the resistance of LDR decreases, the current is generated. The incident photons on the LDR provided energy for the electrons to get excited in the conduction band. Hence, as the intensity of the photon increases, the resistance decreases, resulting in the flow of current. Lightning. Lightning is caused due to the discharge of the charged electrons on the surface of the clouds. When the cloud has enough potential energy and mass colliding with the other radiation in the atmosphere, the energy is turned into electric currents. Radio waves. The wireless energy transmission technology has made it possible to convert radio waves into electricity. The antennas receive these electromagnetic radiations, which are converted to alternating current, and the rectifier is used to convert the alternating current into the direct current. Car batteries. The energy is released in the form of heat during the combustion process as the fuel burns, supplying power to the car. This energy is traced by the electrons in the battery and set into motion, resulting in the formation of an electric current that is utilized to charge batteries and to use other electric gazettes in the car too. Nuclear fission. The fission of parent nuclei results in the formation of two daughter nuclei, releasing out a good amount of energy. This technique is used in nuclear power plants to generate a huge amount of energy. The energy generated is used to generate electric energy and supplied to the household, factories, and industries. Boilers. A liquid is boiled that produces the steam is given to the turbines. The hot steam rotates the turbine and the electric generator attached to it converts heat energy to electric energy. The heat produced in the boiler is due to the nuclear reaction or combustion. Burning of coal. On burning coal, we know that it gives heat energy and light energy. This radiated heat energy can be used to run the turbines. By attaching a generator to the turbines, the mechanical energy is easily converted into electrical energy. Thermoelectric devices. Thermo means temperature. The device used to change the temperature differences into electricity is called a thermoelectric device. Solar batteries. Solar batteries are devices that convert solar radiation into electrical energy. These solar cells work on the photovoltaic effect. Scientific calculators. The scientific calculator comes with solar cells embedded in it. Upon exposing these calculators to the sunlight, the photon energy is converted into the electrical energy that charges the cell of the calculator. Solar generators. Solar generators are used to generate electricity from the radiant energy received from the sunlight. To make solar generators, more than 2 solar panels are used to create a direct current source. Conveyor belt on the motor. You must have seen somebody starting the machine by stretching a small conveyor belt. Upon stretching, the wheels are rotated to generate energy which is supplied to the motor, and the energy is transmitted into electrical energy. Frequently asked questions. How radiant energy is converted into electrical energy? The radiant energy could be in any form of energy like heat, electromagnetic waves, steam, etc. The energy radiated from the source is utilized and rectified to generate the electrical energy. What is the reason behind the formation of electrical energy? It is the energy produced due to the motion of the electrons and protons. When the charged particles gain enough energy, they get into the mobile state, resulting in a flow of current that generates electricity. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.